guys, welcome back to the 12 Cafe Home Edition. Today we will be making Korean cheese noodles. And these are literally like the easiest ones because you're doing everything in this thing right here. This is Steve, my handy dandy microwave that will be helping us out for like all the cooking we need today. So I'm sure everyone can do this at home unless you don't have a microwave, which is very unfortunate for you. But anyways, let's get on to the video. Okay, so the first step is to cook your veggies. So I'm just going to take a bowl, add some water, take my veggies. It's okay if they're kind of like overfilling the bowl because eventually they'll all just get steamed. And don't forget the lid cover. So you're just gonna stir your cooked veggies around a little bit, and then after that you're gonna dump out the water. If you didn't know, microwaving veggies and eggs is like completely safe. Well, at least I've never gotten sick by microwaving eggs, so you should be just fine. And then you're just gonna set this aside until later. Next, we're gonna cook the noodles. And we're also gonna add in the soup packet. I know it's like half the water in there. So I found out that like it doesn't really fit in the bowl. I'm going to do the most horrendous thing ever, and I'm going to split it in half. So that'll actually fit in here somewhat. Okay, so I think they're slightly cooked, more cooked than they were before. So you can just separate your noodles, make sure that they're distributed evenly. This is what people call fake Asians, using two hands with the chopsticks, but oh well. Okay, the last step is to add an egg. Lastly, but not least, what makes this the best part of this all is you're going to add your cheese all around the egg. I'm using mozzarella cheese because, first of all, I don't have American cheese at home, and my mom wouldn't let me buy American cheese. So, just gotta, make do with what you have. And mozzarella cheese is actually not that bad as well, so. Okay, so overall, I think this is like the best noodle recipe I've made in the microwave. Like, look at this. This is all made by the microwave. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe, hearts to all of you who are actually watching this video. So that's it for today. I hope you guys have a great day, the rest of the day. And if you're bored, you can just do a marathon of all my videos and just watch them over and over again. Yeah, bye guys!